glitch phenomena when reality misfires. You wake up one morning and everything seems normal. The sunlight falls across the bed in exactly the same way. The floor is cool beneath your feet. The rhythm of life continues uninterrupted. But as you step outside, you feel it, that subtle disturbance, like a wrinkle in the fabric of reality. A car passes, too familiar. A bird glides overhead, exactly the same arc as yesterday. An old man bends to tie his shoe across the street. But didn't he do that before? Exactly like that. You shake it off. Call it déjà vu. A trick of memory, a glitch in the mind. But what if it's not the mind that glitched? What if it's the world? Across the planet, people whisper stories that don't fit. Moments that break logic, events that slide sideways through time. These are not dreams, not hallucinations. They are called glitch phenomena. Brief, sharp stutters in reality that make you question everything. A glass drops, shatters, but when you look again, it's whole. A clock jumps forward 5 minutes. A building changes shape. A stranger knows your name. A person vanishes. These are not ghost stories. They don't carry the weight of mythology. They feel different, colder, cleaner, like bad code. It's a specific kind of wrongness, not chaos, but a misfire. Like walking into a room and forgetting why, or hearing a sentence spoken before it's spoken. You meet someone you're sure you've never met, but you know them, you remember them. From somewhere that doesn't exist. It's not just eerie. It's structured. The moment has seams. The world stutters, and suddenly you see it for what it might be: fragile, programmable, wrong. Some scientists wave it off. Memory failure, they say, brain noise, neurological echoes. But thousands of these stories emerge from people who have never met, people across continents, cultures, and lifetimes, and their stories overlap, almost like the same bug, surfacing in different instances of the same program. In digital simulations, glitches are common. An object clips through a wall, dialogue repeats, characters freeze. A physics engine forgets what gravity means. The system recalculates. It re-renders and continues. What if our universe does the same? The simulation hypothesis suggests we may be living in an artificial construct, a reality generated by a system too advanced for us to comprehend. Not necessarily with purpose or malice, just logic. And if that's true, then glitch phenomena aren't superstition, they're clues. A man walking in a crowd sees a woman vanish. Instantly, no trace, no movement, just absence. Security footage shows nothing unusual, but his GPS data glitched at that precise moment. Or a child walks into her parents' room and finds them frozen mid-sentence like paused mannequins. She screams, they blink, they claim no memory, the clocks in the room all stopped for exactly 11 seconds. You'll find thousands of these reports in forums, in late-night podcasts, in quiet conversations. between people who don't want to be believed. They want to be understood. A man dreams of a burning bus down to its license plate and sees it the next day. Not similar. Exact. A woman receives a phone call, hangs up. 10 minutes later, the same call plays again, word for word, like a video loop, like reality, accidentally repeated a frame. If our universe has code, then it may also have patches, re-renders, corrections, misrendered objects, broken timelines, entities removed, like corrupted files, in a game. In game design, when an NPC behaves unpredictably, developers often remove them from the map. What if sometimes people are removed from our map? These ideas sound terrifying, and they are. But they also open a door, a shimmering crack, in the illusion of permanence. What if glitch phenomena aren't bugs, but proof that there's more, a greater system, a framework beyond physics and reason? When reality falters, we see the scaffolding, and in that instant, we remember we are not in base reality. We are somewhere else, nested, rendered, maintained. Déjà vu might not be memory. It might be a save state. Repeating events might be code, stuck in a loop, a recursive function, vanishing people. Could be object deletions, sudden cold air, audio glitches, time slips. They're not magic. They're diagnostics. So what do? When it happens to you? When you hear the same sentence twice, when the world flickers at the corner of your eye? When a stranger looks at you with recognition you can't explain? Pause. Don't dismiss it. Observe, because maybe, just maybe, you've witnessed something rare, something real, a moment where the code slips and reality blinks.